Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special. A vehicle that redefines the meaning of a luxury SUV. Get ready, because we're about to witness the birth of an aggressive new beast. The 2026 Cadillac Escalade, completely reimagined by the master craftsmen at Larte Design. Now, we all know the Escalade. It's the undisputed king of the road, a symbol of success and commanding presence. For years, it has set the standard for what a full-size luxury SUV should be. But what happens when you take that already legendary foundation and hand it over to a team of automotive artists who live and breathe performance and style? You get this. Larte Design isn't just a tuning company, they're visionaries. They take automotive excellence and elevate it to the level of high art. Their philosophy is all about enhancing the original character of a vehicle, making it more expressive, more dynamic, and utterly unique. And with their new S-Dye body kit for the upcoming 2026 Escalade, they've truly outdone themselves. Let's start with the front, because that's where the transformation is most dramatic. Larte has completely redesigned the front fascia. The standard grille, while impressive, has been replaced with a much more aggressive, custom design piece that flows seamlessly into the new bumper. Notice the intricate details, the sharper lines, and the expanded air in. It's not just for looks. This design improves airflow, hinting at the power that lies beneath. One of the standout features is the use of carbon fiber. We're talking about a multi-piece front bumper spoiler, custom grille, inserts, and fender flares, all crafted from this lightweight, high-strength material. It's the same stuff you see on supercars, and it immediately signals that this isn't your average Escalade. The new, custom-designed hood is another masterpiece, with its pronounced vents and power dome. It adds a level of aggression that is simply breathtaking. Moving to the side, the presence of this machine is undeniable. Larte Design has fitted the Escalade with massive, custom-forged alloy wheels. These aren't just off-the-shelf rims. They're designed specifically for this kit, available in sizes up to 24 inches. They fill the wheel arches perfectly, thanks to the wider carbon fiber fender flares that give the Escalade an even more muscular and planted stance. The new side skirts connect the front and rear designs, creating a cohesive, flowing line that makes the vehicle look lower and more athletic. And then there's the rear. This is where Larte truly signs their work. The standard rear bumper is gone, replaced by a bespoke piece featuring a bold, integrated diffuser. This diffuser is more than just a styling element, it's a statement. Housed within it are custom-designed exhaust tips, which not only look incredible, but also promise a symphony of sound from the V8 engine. A subtle carbon fiber spoiler on the tailgate completes the look, adding a final touch of aerodynamic flair and visual balance. What's so brilliant about Larte's approach is that it feels like an evolution, not a revolution. They've respected the core DNA of the Escalade while injecting a serious dose of high-performance attitude. Every new component, from the front spoiler to the rear diffuser, is designed to integrate perfectly with the Escalade's existing lines. It looks like it could have rolled straight out of a special Cadillac factory division. Now, let's talk about what this means for the 2026 Escalade. Cadillac is already expected to introduce a refreshed design with new tech and possibly even powertrain updates. But this Larte design kit takes it to a completely different stratosphere. Imagine pulling up in this. It's a vehicle that commands attention and respect wherever it goes. It tells the world that you appreciate not only luxury and comfort, but also cutting-edge design and exhilarating performance. Inside, while Larte primarily focuses on the exterior, the possibilities are endless. Owners can opt for custom interior treatments with bespoke carbon fiber trim, premium leather, and Alcantara to match the aggressive exterior. You can create a cabin that is as unique and performance-oriented as the outside. This is about creating a complete, personalized driving machine. So, who is this for? This is for the individual who finds the standard Escalade a bit too subtle. It's for the driver who wants their vehicle to be an extension of their personality, bold, powerful, and unwilling to compromise. It's for the connoisseur who recognizes the difference between simply owning a luxury car and commissioning a piece of automotive art. Larte Design has a global reputation for quality. And this new SD kit for the 2026 Escalade is a testament to their expertise. Each component is manufactured with precision, ensuring a perfect fit and finish. This isn't just an aftermarket kit. It's a comprehensive transformation that enhances the value, appeal, and thrill of owning a Cadillac Escalade. As we look at these renderings, we're getting a glimpse into the future of luxury as it's a future where style and substance collide, where presence is matched by performance, and where your vehicle can be as unique as your own fingerprint. The 2026 Cadillac Escalade by Larte Design isn't just a mode of transportation, it's a statement. It's a declaration that you've arrived, and you've done it in unparalleled style. This is the next level. The Escalade has always been the king, but with the Larte Design SD kit, it's now a king, ready for battle, draped in carbon fiber armor and ready to conquer any road it travels. We absolutely can't wait to see this beast in the metal. It's going to be a gift! What do you guys think of this incredible transformation? Is this the ultimate expression of the Cadillac Escalade? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. I'm really curious to hear what you have to say. Thank you so much for joining me today for this exclusive look. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more of the latest and greatest in the automotive world, please give this video a thumbs up, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you'll never miss an update from us. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate.